Today we will explore how Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is transforming the business environment. Generative artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we access information, enabling innovation, automation, and more efficient decision-making. At the heart of generative AI are large-scale language models, LLM, capable of understanding and generating natural language. These models automate tasks such as document search or the generation of high-quality multimedia content in integrated solutions. Sectors like legal and medical are already using LLM to improve their services. However, LLM face the challenge of accessing data dynamically, avoiding irrelevant, outdated, or erroneous responses, as they can only be updated through prohibitively expensive retraining. Currently, new LLMs are under development to handle larger inputs, with the drawback of increased computational costs and practical limitations. Retrieval-Augmented Generation systems, or RAG, solve this problem by providing dynamic context to LLM. This allows models to handle broader, dynamic contexts without the need for retraining. But how does RAG work? What role does Shapelets VectorDB play in the process? Let's see with an example. Joe manages large volumes of data from sensors to optimize energy production. The problems he faces are quick access to information sources, whether reports, metrics, or videos. Constant real-time updates. High infrastructure costs. Joe needs information to prevent any increase in costs or system failures. The process begins with a natural language query. Once formulated, it will pass to the retrieval module, where the system will retrieve relevant information and documents from the vector database. But what is a vector or embedding? How do vector databases work? To develop a vector database, it is essential first to establish a corpus of information. This information, whether videos, metrics, images, or text, is transformed into vectors or embeddings using a model, representing them as numerical values. Finally, we store these vectors in Shapelets VectorDB, creating a comprehensive knowledge database. In summary, each piece of data is represented as a vector or series of numbers that capture its characteristics and relationships. Once the context of the information is retrieved, it is sent to the LLM, passing first through the apply phase. The LLM is used to process both the original question and the retrieved information. The model applies its ability to understand and generate natural language to create a response that is coherent and detailed. This model has advanced language comprehension skills and is used to elaborate a response by combining the retrieved information with its general knowledge. Shapelets VectorDB is an optimal solution for RAG systems. It supports any vector dimensionality and works with any LLM, allowing ingestion, indexing, storage, and retrieval of vector data at scale quickly. It outperforms most vector databases with minimal infrastructure. Take advantage of this opportunity to reduce your TCO by 50%. Double your vector data ingestion rates without needing to scale your infrastructure and enjoy vector indexing accelerations of up to 200 times compared to other solutions on the market. Shapelets, every data counts, every decision transforms.